Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Thanks so much for supporting me every day. Today is corn cake recipe. Hey, you will love this sankasa, okay? So give it a try, okay? And if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, I beg you to subscribe. Do well to click on the notification bell so that you always get notification whenever I upload a new video. And so I'm going to make use of corn flour. I have a video on how to make corn flour. I'll leave the link there for you to watch. My flour, my sugar, my oil. You can use margarine, but I'm using olive oil. My milk. You can use any vegetable oil of your choice. My eggs, salt. You are going to use baking powder and vanilla flavor. I'll leave all the quantities in the description box for you to check. So I'll first grind my sugar into powder form so that the mixing won't take long, or the creaming won't take long at all. And I'm going to add my flour and my corn flour to it, mix it together and strain it. Add my baking powder to it. Yes, and then strain it together to get any form of particles out of it and get it smooth form. Please subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. I beg you to share this video for me. Like and leave a comment. Try this recipe and let me know the result. Okay, so we are going to start by mixing our wet ingredients, and that is we are going to crack all our eggs into our food processor. You can use your hand whisk to do this. If you don't have food processor or cake making machine, just use your hand. Adding my salt to it, and I'm going to whisk the eggs and the salt together. Okay, so I'm going to add my milk and oils also to it. Yes, and I'll add the milk to it and add my vanilla flavor also to it. Mix everything together. Yes, please do well to subscribe. Okay, so I just added my sugar also to it. You can use the quantity that you want for the sugar. I usually don't like too much, but hey, you can double the quantity or reduce it, even triple it. Okay, so I am adding my flour to it at this point, and I'm going to do that in small quantities. Mix, add, mix, add. Yes. Okay, please subscribe. Okay, thanks so much. I really appreciate you all. Nana Akusie free. Thanks so much for always watching and your comment. I really appreciate it, and the others too. Okay, thank you. If you have not yet subscribed, do well to subscribe. Share this video for me, like and leave a comment. I really need them. Okay, YouTube, rate my videos with your comments, your share and your likes. So I'm going to add the rest of the flour also to it and mix everything together. We are not going to mix this too much, so the moment you realize that it has mixed very well, you just have to take it off. Okay. And you can also follow me on TikTok, Max GH. Okay, so please do well to subscribe, like this video, comment, and check the description box for all the quantities, all the listed ingredients with its quantities, and give it a try. And so we are done, and we are going to pour into our cake pan, well greased and powdered with some flour. Okay, so you have to do it. I'll grease it with butter or margarine and add a little bit of flour to it to help turn it easily. Okay, so I'll just try and take any form of air out, and I'm going to bake this in my gas oven on a medium heat for between 25 and 30 minutes. Okay, and so you can use your electric oven, but make sure you preheat it before you start mixing your ingredients. So after 30 minutes, Our corn cake is ready. If you have not tried corn cake before, give it a try. And so I just tried to find out if it's well baked and the inside is dry also. We turn it after it has cooled down and look at our corn cake. So beautiful. Yes, so this is our corn cake, and we are going to cut into it and you will love it. Give this corn cake a try. Okay, check out the description box for the quantities and try this. You will love it. And so this is it, our corn cake. The taste is so great. Give it a try and you will not regret at all. And so we are done baking for today, and I want to say thank you so much for being part of this channel. Thank you for always checking on me. Nana Akosia, I really appreciate it. Thanks for subscribing. If you have not yet done so, do well to subscribe. Share this video, like, and leave a comment. Don't forget to watch out for another awesome, sumptuous recipe just like this corn cake. Give it a try and you will love it. This Christmas, try and make some corn cake for your friends and family. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.